Hello guys, and welcome to another trailing video from Tech TV. In this video we'll be diving straight into creating thumbnails for our YouTube video. So thumbnails are very important features your YouTube video has to have. So in this video we'll be looking at creating simple thumbnails with Pixellab. We'll be using Pixellab for this. So let's head on into our Pixellab, create a new project, then go to image size, click on the preset button and click on YouTube thumbnail. So for YouTube thumbnail we're using the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is 1280 for the width and 720 for the height. So clicking OK, we have the desired size of our thumbnail. So let's give it a background color of, let's go to color, let's give it white. So we're using white for the background, and I want to be using this picture. So let's go to my photos and look for the picture. So we'll be using this picture of Pope Francis at the background with the Swiss Guard font, which is Blair. So let's dive straight into it by first importing that picture. So let's go to our images, then images. Now we just have to find that picture, Pope Francis. All these are screenshots. Got it. So we got a picture of Pope Francis. So let's just crop it and insert it to, want it to be about the same size as this. So let me just increase it a little bit. And here, let me just move it to the side of the next, something like this. The next one to give it a text. So for our text, we move to the text section and give it. Let's say the video is about the PPC. So PPC. Then we just change the font. I love to choose the font before choosing the text size, so I'm use a BZ regular for this. Okay, increase the size, so about 35. Then yeah, move it a little bit here. Give it a bold style and maybe italic. The depth of the italic, so only bold. The color of black. Down below we'll create another one, and here is going to give us a short description of what the video will be about. So it is what you've got to know, about the papacy, about the papacy. We'll just drop the pictures. Reduce the size to 33 for this. The font style, let me use this. So what you've got to know about the papacy. Then I love to add a subscribe button so that you guys watching can subscribe to this channel. So my subscribe button, it comes with a white background. Since the original background is white, so you just leave it like that. So we just lock all so that I don't change the movement, then we save it as an image. Then I'll be using the JPEG. Saved. So let's move to our photos. Go back, wait for the photos to refresh. Now we have our thumbnail and we can put it on our video for YouTube. Thanks for watching. It's Pixellab TV. See you in the next video. Bye bye.